Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel, and today I got you guys another exciting review, which is infrared oscillating dish heater, and it has some amazing features. I will unbox it today and I will show you it's working, and I will tell you every detail about this product. So this one has like some amazing features in it. So this is a medium room size heater, and it is like a carbon fiber tube heating iron and warms like the sun, like description says. And there are two heat settings, so high and low, and there are like 2-hour timer, auto on and auto off feature includes in it, and built-in safety features also comes in this heater. So overheat protection, tip over safety shut off, and cool touch housing. I told you all the amazing features. Now it's time to unbox this and take this product out of the box. So I'm gonna just cut all the tapes and everything, and then we'll take it out from the box. So after opening this product, we got the manual, user manual, that includes all the safety and all the instructions about this product. So let's take the heater out of the box now. So guys, I already told you this is the like medium room size heater. So first I'm gonna take everything, like all the mess away, and then I show you the product. Okay guys, so all the mess is away. Now it's time to unwrap this heater. I'm gonna remove this wrapper from this heater. Just open this. Oh my god, it's so beautiful. I'm gonna show you some more details about these buttons. Okay guys, so this one is this knob is used for the timer, and it has like 60 minutes timer and then 120 minutes timer, so like 2 hours timer. And then you have two options. You can use these, one is low and then one is high, and after that you can also use these two options to rotate this one. So I really like this one, and this is called like dish heater. So yeah, I'm gonna show you from the back side. So there is a small handle that you can use to carry this one. Yeah, and you can also move this heater like into different directions, like this and this. And it also has like a very good length cord. There you go. Now it's time to put the cord in the wall socket. Alright guys, so I plugged in the cord into the wall socket. Now it's time to turn this heater on, and let's see what the options this heater is carrying. So I'm just turning it on the first speed, and these are the timer, and you can see all the colors, changing the color and lights, and it's already like giving me some heat. And this way you can move it. This is the one option, and this is the second option. These are the two options for rotating this one. And there is like a carbon wire or something that is already like very red. And guys, I turned off all the lights, and there is how it looks like. You can see all the like lights are very bright, like dark yellow color. It will warm you like maybe 10 minutes because the heating is very warm, and like it's very accurate. It's not irritating, cozy and comfortable. If you want this heater to turn it off like in 20 minutes, 40 minutes, 60 minutes, there are options available. You can choose any timer according to your need. I really like this product. I hope you guys like this too. If you like this video, please give this video a big thumbs up. I will see you guys in my next video. Till then, take care. Bye bye.